Congressman Joel Chua wants you to believe he's a crusader for accountability. He's been loud, very loud, about Vice President Sara Duterte's confidential fund. COA gave an unmodified opinion, meaning the fund usage was reported in line with government standards and processes met what was required under the rules. But Congressman Chua, he still cries accountability. So let's talk about his kind of accountability.
Saan ka nakakita pera ng congressman, pera ng taong bayan? Bakit kayo nagtatayo ng barangay hall at building sa tapat ng eskwelahan?
Kong, imbestigahan mo yung sarili mo. Yun. Ayun, durog. 2 metro, tinayaw nyo, 4 story. At titigas na mukha nyo, uy.
19 million of public funds gone just like that. Demolished because it was illegal.
Unang-una ito, dumaan naman to sa lahat ng proseso.
Dumaan sa lahat ng proseso. Alam nyo, yung bangketa, Congressman Joel Chua, that is beyond the commerce of man.
Spare us the lectures on transparency, Congressman. You don't get to weaponize accountability while dodging your own.